Why choose Plant House for your home design? Building your dream home starts with the right plan. Plan House Engineer and Architect offers modern, affordable, and practical home designs tailored to your needs. Budget-friendly modern designs. Get stunning and efficient plans at a low cost. Experienced engineers and architects, professional and skilled experts handle your design. Optimal space utilization. We create the best layout even in small areas. Realistic 2D and 3D visualization. See your home's complete look before construction. Engineering standards compliant, strong, durable, and well-structured designs. Custom designs, as per your needs. We design exactly what you want. Building code approved plans. Plans follow legal and safety regulations. Fast delivery and reliable support. We value your time and requirements. Get the best design for your dream home today. Engineer Joel Hassan.